Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly product spotlight where we highlight one of the awesome products we have available online or over the counter at the Brisbane and Melbourne stores. You are looking at something semi-rare right here. This is a PAMP Swiss Lunar Dragon Silver bar in 10 gram size from 2012. Yes, you heard all of that correctly. So PAMP Swiss, a minted bar in the certificate packaging right there. It's a silver minted bar. That's pretty rare right there. It's also Lunar Dragon from 2012 as well. So let's take a look at the front, of course. PAMP Swiss right here at the top. You've got down the bottom here, you've got 2012, the Lunar Calendar series. Yes, these are from 2012, 10 years ago now. Can you believe time has flown that quickly? Of course, this was during Series 2 of Perth Mint, that is, but the PAMP brand also bring out their particular series as well. So I'm pretty sure this will be a different design coming up for the next Dragon. But this was the 2012 one. And this is this side in particular. And check out the awesome red certificate packaging. On the side here, you've got Swiss made. Now, I will make a note that, yes, definitely going to be a much higher premium than you would normally pay for silver in general. One, because it's a 10 gram silver bar. Let's check out the other side. Second, it's PAMP Swiss branded. It's a Lunar series. It's a Dragon as well. Plus, it's from 2012. So there's not a lot of them floating around. We have limited numbers here in Ainslie at both the Melbourne and the Brisbane stores, and you can buy them online as well, as I said, ainslieBullion.com.au. I'll put a link below to the info in the info section of the YouTube page and as part of the pinned comment to the specific product page. But again, just bear in mind, it is 10 grams of minted silver. You hardly ever see that. So let's check this out and see how close we can get. So PAMP Swiss logo at the top. And what I love is the other side of the dragon. So if you take a look on the front side, okay, so it's the dragon wrapped around something, whether that's a pole or a wooden column, something like that. And then I love what they did on the other side. You see the other side of the dragon and its claws, its talons, if that's what they're called technically. Post a comment below, let me know what they're actually called. Could just Google it, but I'd like to hear from our elite customers. So PAMP Swiss up the top there, right in the middle, 10 grams, silver 999, fine, and a serial number as well. So we have a very, very limited amount. So again, pop the particular product listing in the info section of the YouTube page, part of the pinned comment. You also have the certificate number down the bottom here, the metal fineness and the metal weight. So it's a certified by the assayer right there, and the signature as well. So the very typical and usual secure and packaging, and they act as its own certificate, the card itself, and it's tamper evident packaging as well, so you're getting the real deal. So that's why you do pay a high premium. So 10 grams of silver, that you're going to pay a high premium no matter what brand it was. PAMP brand, the fact that it's Lunar Dragon as well. So definitely we would say this is perfect for gifts. If you know someone born in 2012 or someone born in the year of the dragon, or if you just think it's really cool, it might be an option to snap up one of these for yourself, or again for a friend, for a gift or whatever. But they're just beautiful. I think they're a really good way to introduce people to the world of stacking, something that catches their eye, and then you can give them the more information, take them down the rabbit hole of the stacking world. That's not a bad idea. So again, very limited numbers of this particular bar, but you can walk into the Melbourne and Brisbane stores and also buy them online. So that is the PAMP Swiss 2012 Lunar Dragon minted 10 gram silver bar right there. You know what to do. Like, share and subscribe, and head over to ainslieBullion.com.au. And as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.